Hello and welcome back to Praks Art Gallery. Thank you so much for being part of my drawing journey and being so supportive. Thank you so much. So now you must have already known from thumbnail that what I'm going to draw today. So yes, I'm drawing my first proper colored pencil drawing. And for this I have used two types of colors. First one is the Faber Castell color, which has more vibrant and variety of colors. And the second one is the Brustro metallic colors. I have tried to mention all the colors name which I have used in this drawing. In case if any of the color has been missed, do let me know in the comment box. Check and I will reply to the comment. One important thing is I have added metallic prefix to all the color names whichever was used from the Brustro metallic color pencils. So now let's get started. So generally I start pencil drawings with the darkest color, but here I'm not sure since it is a color, so what is the dark and what is not. So I'm starting with eye first so that it will give me some sense whether it is coming correct or not, because generally when you draw any eyes, be it bird eye or human eye or any animal's eye, it carries emotions, right? So I do understand that for bird I cannot identify the emotion, but at least if the eyes are made correctly, then your drawing looks pretty well. So that's why I'm starting with eyes, and for this mainly I'm using the black color and the silver color pencil. I have tried to provide all the step-by-step process of how I have drawn this, hummingbird. And I know this video is little lengthy, but I'm not sure which type of video or which, sort of video you all prefer to watch. In case if you like step-by-step video, do type yes in the comment section. So accordingly, if the majority is on the step-by-step video, I will make such videos. In case if you don't like step-by-step video and you like more of a time-lapse, do mention no in the comment box and I'll make those time-lapse videos so that you can watch it and you can have a better experience. So to me, it feels very good when all the colors comes together and they take a form or the shape, and it looks very beautiful. And especially if it is any natural thing like this bird or maybe tree or some other natural creature, it feels very good. So let me know what do you think about it. the whole drawing of this hummingbird, I like this wings part very much because this looks very delicate, and the subtle color of a little bit brown and the silver mixed with a pinch of green looks very good for on this hummingbird drawing. So when you look at the final result, you will realize that yes, the wings is the one which is the the best part of this drawing. That's what I feel. Do let me know, what do you think, which one is the best part? Is it the beak, or is it the eyes, or it's the hummingbird's leg or so? Thank you for watching. I hope you like this drawing of hummingbird, how it has come all together. And if you are just starting your art journey, or maybe want to start your art journey, I would definitely recommend to watch my playlist of how to start drawing in 30 days. This is the playlist which I did a month back, where I actually drew for 30 days, and it has put me back to the art drawing journey, and it has helped me a lot. So I hope it will help you also. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.